Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily, and we are your English learning friends.
If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us.
Every single day, we help you speak English with more confidence. If you want the transcripts, vocabulary, and slow audio versions, check the join button below. And today is a very special day.
It really is, because today we are talking about food.
Food, my favorite subject in the whole world.
I know. Tom has been waiting for this episode for weeks.
Weeks. I have been thinking about what to say. I have a list.
He has a list. Of course he has a list.
A very organized list.
Okay, before we get into all of that, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us. Make sure you hit subscribe because we upload a brand new English lesson every single day. Every single day.
Yes, and whether you are a beginner or already a pretty confident speaker, this channel is for you. We talk like real people. No textbooks, no boring grammar drills. Well, okay, a little grammar.
A little grammar, but we make it fun, we promise.
We always promise.
Okay, so before we jump into today's lesson, I want to ask you something. Tom is going to tell us a story later in this episode about a very embarrassing food moment. Something that happened to him at a restaurant.
I do not know what you were talking about.
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The soup incident.
We said we were never going to talk about that.
And yet here we are. So here is a question for today. What do you think Tom did at the restaurant? Did he drop his soup on himself? Did he order the wrong dish by accident? Or did something even more embarrassing happen?
I'm not going to give you any hints.
Watch the whole video to find out. Leave your guess in the comments. We love reading every single one. All right, Tom, let's start simple. What is your absolute favorite food?
Oh, without any question, it is pasta, specifically spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, that is a classic.
My grandmother used to make it every Sunday. The whole house smelled amazing. I would wake up and just know today is a pasta day.
Aw, that is the sweetest thing.
She had a secret recipe. She never wrote it down. She just knew it in her hands.
Wow, do you know how to make it?
I tried once. It was not the same.
What happened?
I put too much salt, way too much salt. My roommate took one bite and just looked at me with these eyes.
Oh, no.
He didn't say anything. He just put his fork down very slowly.
That is so sad. It's so funny at the same time.
Cooking is not my talent. Eating is my talent. Okay, what about you, Lily? What is your favorite food?
Okay, so mine is a little different. I love sushi.
Really? When did you start eating sushi?
So the first time I tried sushi, I was 19 years old. My friend took me to a Japanese restaurant, and I was honestly a little scared.
Scared of sushi?
I had never eaten raw fish before. I did not know what to expect. I thought I would hate it.
And?
I ate 12 pieces in one sitting.
12?
Yes, I could not stop. The salmon was just so fresh and soft, and I kept saying, just one more, just one more.
Classic.
My friend was watching me like I created a monster.
Yes, a sushi monster.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about grammar today because we are using some really useful structures in this conversation.
Yes, and this is something beginners really need, so pay attention.
Today, we're looking at how to talk about likes and preferences in English. Super simple, super useful. You will use this every single day.
Structure number 1, I love, or I like, or I really enjoy.
For example, I love sushi. I like pasta. I really enjoy cooking on weekends.
Notice we use the verb in the base form after I love and I like. So we say, I love sushi, not I love to sushi. Sushi is a noun here.
Right. Sushi is a thing, not an action. So we just say, I love sushi.
But if you use a verb, you can say, I love eating sushi. See, eating. We add ing to the verb.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Ready?
I love pizza.
I love pizza.
I really like chocolate.
I really like chocolate.
I enjoy cooking dinner.
I enjoy cooking dinner. Amazing. You are doing great.
Now, structure number 2, my favorite food is. This is how you name your number 1 food.
My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is tacos.
Simple, right? Subject, my favorite food. Verb, is, and then the food.
Try it right now. Pause the video. Say out loud, my favorite food is blank. Put your food in the blank.
Did you say it? Good. Now you are speaking English.
Okay, now let's learn some real vocabulary for talking about food. We have 6 great words and phrases today.
And for every word, we have a story, because stories help you remember. Trust us.
We have learned that the hard way.
Word number 1, delicious. delicious. Delicious.
Delicious means very, very good to eat. It's a stronger word than good or nice.
For example, this cake is delicious. That soup smells delicious. The pizza was absolutely delicious.
Tom, tell them about the delicious thing you ate last week.
Oh, okay. So I went to this new Italian place near my apartment, and I ordered a tiramisu for dessert.
And?
It was the most delicious thing I have eaten in years. I am not exaggerating. I closed my eyes. I made a sound.
He made a sound?
Like a very happy sound. The waiter was watching me.
That is so embarrassing.
It was worth it, 100% worth it.
Okay, let's repeat. Delicious.
Delicious.
Say it with us. Delicious. Word number 2, spicy. S-P-I-C-Y. Spicy.
Spicy means the food has a strong, hot flavor, like chili or hot sauce or my roommate's cooking.
Is your roommate a spicy cook?
Oh, he puts hot sauce on everything. Everything. I tried his scrambled eggs once. Lily, scrambled eggs.
No!
With hot sauce and chili flakes and something red I could not identify.
What did they taste like?
Fire! They tasted like fire. I drank a whole glass of milk after.
That is very spicy.
Use it like this. This curry is really spicy. I do not like spicy food. Do you like spicy food?
Repeat. Spicy.
Spicy.
Word number 3, sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Sweet means the food has a sugar flavor, like candy, chocolate, fruit, or cake.
I love sweet things. I have a huge sweet tooth.
Oh, sweet tooth is a great expression. It means you love sweet foods.
I have the biggest sweet tooth. If there's dessert, I will eat it. Every time.
Okay, I have a story. So one time I bought a box of chocolates for my mom, a gift.
Very nice.
I put it in my bag, and then on the bus ride home, I thought, I will just have one.
No!
I had all of them.
Lily!
I arrived home with an empty box and a guilty face.
What did you tell your mom?
I said the shop was sold out and I came home to check on her.
You are a terrible person and I love it.
The chocolate was very sweet and very worth it.
Repeat, sweet.
Sweet. Word number 4, salty. S-A-L-T-Y. Salty.
Salty means the food has a lot of salt flavor, like chips, pretzels, or French fries.
Ooh, I love salty snacks. Chips are my weakness.
Your weakness? Like a superpower weakness?
Exactly. Put a bag of chips in front of me and I cannot stop. It is a problem.
What kind of chips?
Salt and vinegar. Very salty, a little sour. Perfect combination.
Oh, I cannot eat salt and vinegar chips. They make my mouth hurt.
That is the fun part.
The fun part is pain?
A little bit, yes.
Okay, use it like this. These chips are very salty. I prefer salty food over sweet food. Pass me the salty popcorn, please.
Repeat. Salty.
Salty. Word number 5. Fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh.
Fresh means the food was recently made or recently picked. It has not been stored for a long time. Fresh food tastes alive and clean.
Fresh bread, fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, fresh fish for sushi.
Yes, the reason I love sushi so much is because the fish is so fresh. You can taste the difference immediately.
Have you ever had bad sushi? Not fresh sushi?
Once. One time, I ordered sushi from a delivery app late at night.
How late?
Very late, like 11:30 at night.
That is never a good idea.
It was not fresh. It was the opposite of fresh. I knew immediately, but I was hungry.
No, Lily, no!
I learned my lesson. Fresh sushi only from a real restaurant.
Use it like this. I always buy fresh vegetables. This bread is very fresh. I love the fresh smell of the market in the morning.
Repeat. Fresh.
Fresh.
Last word, word number 6, crispy. C-H-R-I-S-P-Y. Crispy.
Crispy means the food makes a crunching sound when you bite it. The outside is hard and dry, like fried chicken or a good pizza crust.
Or toast. I love crispy toast in the morning.
Okay, here's my story for crispy. So, I make toast every morning. Every morning.
Okay.
Last Tuesday, I put my bread in the toaster, and then I went to check my phone, just for a minute.
Oh,
I came back 15 minutes later.
15 minutes?
The toast was black, completely black. My whole kitchen smelled like smoke.
What did you do?
I ate it anyway. I just scraped off the black part with a knife.
Tom!
It was still a little crispy underneath, kind of.
You are unbelievable.
I was hungry. Hunger makes you do strange things.
Okay, repeat. Crispy.
Crispy. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Daily English Talk. You learned 6 vocabulary words, 2 grammar structures, and 1 very embarrassing soup story.
Which is honestly worth the subscription alone.
If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It helps more people find us and join our family.
And hit subscribe because we post a brand new English lesson every single day. Every day, a new episode waiting for you.
We will see you tomorrow. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember,
English gets easier every day. Bye.
bye-bye.